How much freedom should we give AI agents? It's one of the most important questions in AI right now. Anthropic just analyzed millions of real human-agent interactions to find out exactly how much autonomy people actually grant their AI systems. The results reveal a fascinating dance between human trust and machine capability.
Let's start with the headline number. The longest Claude Code sessions have nearly doubled in just 3 months. At the 99.9 percentile, agent turns went from under 25 minutes to over 45 minutes between September 2025 and January 2026. The median turn is about 45 seconds, but the tail is getting dramatically longer. What's driving this? Better models and growing user confidence. With each new model release, Sonnet 4.5, Opus 4.5, Opus 4.6, users trust their agents to run longer before checking in.
Here's something counterintuitive. As users gain experience with Claude Code, they both trust it more and interrupt it more. New users auto-approve about 20% of sessions. After hundreds of sessions, that climbs to over 40%. But experienced users also interrupt nearly twice as often, going from 5% to around 9% of turns. This isn't a contradiction. Expert users move from step-by-step review to active monitoring. They let the agent run freely, but intervene precisely when something goes wrong. It's like an experienced pilot using autopilot. They trust the system, but watch closely. Perhaps the most surprising finding: agents stop themselves more often than humans stop them. On complex tasks, Claude pauses for clarification more than twice as often as humans interrupt it. At high goal complexity, Claude asks for clarification 16.4% of the time, while humans only interrupt 7.1%. This matters because it shows agents are learning to recognize their own uncertainty. They offer choices 35% of the time and ask about vague requests 13% of the time. The agent is actively collaborating, not just executing blindly. So what are agents actually doing, and how risky is it? Anthropic mapped thousands of agent tasks on 2 axes, autonomy and risk. The vast majority of tasks cluster in the bottom left, low autonomy, low risk. Think simple calculations or bug fixes. But there are outliers. Autonomously executing cryptocurrency trades scores 7.7 on autonomy. Modifying patient medical records hits 4.4 on risk. And 80% of tool calls come from agents with at least one safeguard. 73% have a human in the loop. Only 0.8% of actions appear irreversible.
The landscape of agent deployment is still heavily concentrated. Software engineering dominates at nearly 50% of all agentic activity. Back-office automation follows at 9%. Then marketing, sales, finance, and data analysis each around 3 to 4%. Healthcare and legal are still below 1%. But that's changing fast. The frontier is expanding into domains where the stakes are higher and where the need for careful autonomy design becomes critical.
So what should we take from all this? 3 things. First, existing models are capable of more autonomy than they currently exercise. The ceiling is higher than we think. Second, effective human-AI collaboration isn't about approving every action. It's about active monitoring and precise intervention. And third, as agents move into higher stakes domains, they need to recognize their own uncertainty and stop themselves before making risky decisions. The future of AI isn't full autonomy or full control. It's a calibrated partnership that evolves with trust.